इम्पोर्टेंट कि धृतराष्ट्र के साथ गांधारी,
Of course.
जिन्होंने अपनी आंखों में पट्टी, इनको तो आधे लोगों ने देखा भी बहुत कम है, तो इनकी आंखों में पट्टी थी, you know. So now we can look at such. Riya, कैसा रहा आपका experience? What was your moment?
It was surreal, and honestly, I was actually shocked. I was selected for some other character, and I was preparing for that character. And then the team called me and said that, you have a flight day after tomorrow. You're going to shoot. You're playing Gandhari. And I'm like, I don't have time to prepare. How will I do it? But I was just giving an interview, and I realized that the day of the shoot, you were my strength. Like, when I was so nervous, I had no idea what I'm doing. You kept telling me, it's okay. You're doing amazing. I know I was not doing a good job, but you kept it. And I remember at 5:30 in the evening, we were shooting in the winters. So मुझे बहुत ठंड लग रही थी. मैं shiver कर रही थी, and I couldn't even say my lines. And Siddharth sir said कि नहीं हो पाएगा. मैं कहा नहीं sir, sorry. Sir said pack up. And I was like, I was so comfortable, and he made me feel comfortable. Is the
reason that she is not at fault, because क्या हुआ कि in the Mahabharata journey जैसे हम कर रहे थे, तो काफी सारी चीजें होते होते नहीं हो रही थी, फिर हो रही थी, फिर नहीं हो रही थी, तो कहीं जाकर एक ऐसे किसी पॉइंट पे लास्ट मिनट पे एक कास्टिंग मुझे रिप्लेस करनी पड़ी, और 5 साल मेहनत करने के बाद day 1 of shoot Mahabharata, I had a completely new actor where my other actors were prepping with for so many years, and she had no advantage because she had no idea about Gandhari. So मैं immediately हम लोग first दिन shoot पे, while we were shooting, I was talking to her every minute, giving her the feel कि okay, because she वो real life में पहली बार जब cast हुई, I don't know whether you all know, she was underage. She was not even 18.
Younger than Dhritarashtra.
Younger than Dhritarashtra, तो यही है, but imagine her real play. Oh, that's tough one, yeah.
That's not easy to answer.
That was good one, yeah. No, only he was underage. Because even after 10 years of Mahabharata, आज भी वो 23 साल का.
Thank you so much.
ऐसा शहीर कह रहा था.
No, but
ऐसा शहीर कह रहा था.
On a serious note, like the team told me that I'm selected. The next day, I shot for 18 hours the photo shoot, and the day after that, I flew for the shoot.
Boom!
And
that was very quick.
But
I'm curious to know which character you selected.
Even I wanted to know, but I'm not sure if you can say that on camera.
No, nothing like that. I think
Madhuri,
what was she?
Madhuri.
She was playing Madhuri.
Oh, okay.
No, but I'll tell you a very interesting part in this as well. When I auditioned for Mahabharata at the age of like 16, and I got rejected. And I thought, I am never going to make it. A year later, they called me again, and I told the casting guy, listen, I got rejected. So,
Don't call me.
Calling me? So the guy said, no, just come, audition do. And मैंने audition दिया माधुरी का. मैं 2 बार select हुई, तीसरी बार उन्होंने गांधारी के लिए बुलाया. मैंने फिर बोला, out of innocence, मैंने बोला, मैं reject हो चुकी हूँ, आप क्यों दे रहे हो? He's like, नहीं, audition दो. And I initially signed 2 contracts, one for Gandhari and one for Madhuri. And till the day of the workshop, I didn't know मैं क्या play कर रही हूँ. And when I got to know I'm playing Madhuri, I was disappointed because I knew कि Madhuri बहुत ही short term के लिए है और गांधारी का शुरू से अंत तक था. मेरा उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं था.
I was not completely, because she was so young.
Yes.
I was not very sure कि वो गांधारी कर पाएगी कि नहीं कर पाएगी, because Gandhari had to take play mother of 100 kids.
Yeah.
101.
मेरे दिमाग में 101 करेक्ट दुशाला के साथ. तो ये था कि आप कैसे इस पे कास्ट करोगे वो एक्टर जो अभी हम स्टार्टिंग से यंग है, और फिर एज वी गो ओल्ड, जब आप सब बड़े होके आते हो, और उसके बाद कहानी अनदर 100 साल चलती है, तो कैसे धृतराष्ट्र भी ओल्ड प्ले करेंगे. तो दोनों कास्टिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थी, बिकॉज हम स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट कर रहे थे, हम उनके यंग से स्टार्ट कर रहे थे, एंड दे हैड टू प्ले मच ओल्डर कैरेक्टर्स एट सच यंग एज. तो इस पे आई वाज नॉट वेरी श्योर टिल द लास्ट मिनट. पर कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि लास्ट में प्रिपेयर भी हुआ, वर्कशॉप्स भी हुए, सब कुछ किया.
When she initially auditioned for it,
17 she was
from there to that scene in the end,
when she tells
भगवान को श्राप देती है. What a scene, what a journey.
What a journey for.
Wow. She was my junior in school, by the way.
देख रहा. तो genuinely क्या journey रहा है, सोचो. गांधारी जो इंटरप्रिटेशन हमने किया है वो ये नहीं था कि that she just got married because उसके पापा ने कहा था और उसने पति के एक साथ रहने के लिए किया, पर कहीं ना कहीं there is every woman of today has a thought, they have a belief जिसके लिए वो खड़े होते हैं. So what does Gandhari stand for?
We had a very good discussion, and it is because of that discussion I was able to portray the wedding scene very well.
Yeah.
We had a very good discussion.
I went and shot your wedding scene and the
blind. It's my
wala
favorite
scene.
moment.
Yeah, I shot that
You
scene. I
shot
remember.
that.
That was one of the first scenes I shot also.
Yeah.
Because that character made the base of the story.
Yeah.
जिसका culmination कृष्ण को श्राप देना था. And for her to have that graph as an actor must have been amazing, and especially when you have a son like him.
This is a very funny story. So वो लेबर पेन चल रहा था ना गांधारी का, तो एक शॉट है जिसमें दिखा रहे कि डिलीवरी होने वाली है. तो जो लेडी मेरे पास में थी, जो मेरी दाई बनी थी या जो भी है, तो मैं उनको वो शी वाज ओल्डर देन मी, तो आई आस्क्ड हर कैसा पेन होता है. आई डिड दैट व्हाइल बिफोर द शॉट. आई वाज लाइक कैसा पेन होता है, कैसा लगता है, मतलब वो कैसा फीलिंग आता है, आर यू अ मदर? एंड शी एक्सप्लेन्ड इट टू मी, शी टोल्ड मी एवरीथिंग, and instantly I portrayed that. So I had moments like these. I was taking help from each and everybody where I was not able to understand. There was this another scene जहाँ पे जब मेरे पुत्र उन लोग का देहांत होता जा रहा है, एक एक दिया बुझता जा रहा है. So there is a shot where I'm crying. So you know I was taking help from my directors because you can't. There is today I understand that you know अलग अलग तरह से कैसे रोते हैं, but then I had only one emotion as a kid, and I knew only one way of crying. So everybody in my journey has helped me, and I have grown a lot as an actor in that journey and as a person. I mean, when I was doing माता पुत्र का scene, तो मैं एक्चुअली इमेजिन कर रही थी, मैं तो बच्ची हूँ, लेकिन मैं इमेजिन कर रही थी कि बाय चांस अगर मेरा बच्चा होता तो मैं उससे कैसे बात करती. तो मैं इसको अपने बच्चे की तरह ही देख रही थी. उस टाइम मुझे बिल्कुल it is energy. I totally believe it is energy, and divine was there with all of us. वो नहीं फील होता था मुझे कि ये बड़ा मैं छोटी. मुझे लगता था ये मेरा बच्चा ही और मुझे इसे संभालना है. And that scene where I was doing with Krishna, I still tell him till date, I wish मुझे और मौके मिले होते आपके साथ शूट करने के लिए. वो last day I was not myself. I was not at all. I still don't remember what I did. I see myself on the camera and I'm like, oh, ये मैं हूँ. There was some different energy. I had some different passion. So when I got selected for Gandhari ना, मेरा focus ये था, ये श्राप वाला scene, ये तो मतलब मुझे करना है. और वो जिस दिन आया, मैं I was like 4 पेज का था कुछ, मैंने पूरा learn किया अच्छे से, and I was prepared, and I didn't know how will I react when Krishna will talk to me, but oh my God, I was crying. In the blindfold, I was crying so much because I was like, I am surrendering myself to you. I couldn't see his eyes, but I could feel every word he was telling me. So that was done, that performance was done because of you. So
Absolutely.
So yeah, I can just keep on and on about my journey.
How was your journey with Anu?
Anu इतना डेडिकेटेड और इतना कमिटेड गाया था कि इसकी वजह से मुझे सेट पे थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा प्रिपेयर होके जाना पड़ता था, ताकि फिर मुझे यहाँ से नहीं सुनने मिल जाएगी लड़ने क्या तुमने.
नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं, ऐसा कभी नहीं बोला मैंने, कभी नहीं बोला.
Oh please, you बोला? Yeah. You were only.
तू किरदार में था भी थे पता नहीं.
But अभी तो मारे let's prove देखो याद नहीं.
Siddharth sir is asking me this because there was this one time when I deeply care for you, but there was this one time where I was very angry on you.
Okay.
So we were shooting some promo, and you were supposed to throw जो jewelry box होता है. Okay, and you threw the jewelry box को यहाँ से जाना था, ठीक है? और तुमने जितनी 2 बार फेंका शायद, और दोनों बार मेरे हाथ में लगा बहुत तेज.
अब अंदर था तो होगा ना तो.
नहीं. Listen यार.
So sorry.
मैं से एक और सुना. अभी शहर ने भी बोला कि अर्पित यार जब भी मैं तुम्हारा सीन देखता था ना तो पिताश्री साथ में तो ऐसा करके ऐसा बोलता अभी तो अभी बोला मार रहा है.
उसके बाद एक तलवार फेंकने का
तलवार मार.
इसका प्रॉब्लम क्या था कि यार इसको कुछ भी तो कि ये सीधा मेरे पे ही फेंक. तो मैं इसको बोलता था इसको दिख नहीं रहा ना, ये वो मूड में है, तो थोड़ा ऐसे कर लेना. बोलता मैं कैसे भी करूँ मुझे. रिया, आपसे एक फैन क्वेश्चन. रिया, प्राची निगम ने पूछा है, आप सिर्फ 17 साल की थी, ये उनको मालूम है. जब आपकी शूट शुरुआत हुई, आपको अपने बड़े को एक्टर्स से क्या सीखने को मिला, क्योंकि वो तो छोटा था आपसे,
जस्ट पैदा हुआ था।
कल
वो
पैदा
तो
हुआ है।
16 था, you know? तो अपने बड़े को एक्टर्स जो आपके बेटे थे उनसे आपको क्या सीखने को मिला?
I think what I was trying to, I was very new to this, so I couldn't balance my personal life and my professional life. So I used to.
इन्होंने ऐसा क्या किया?
मैंने क्या किया?
I think he was. मतलब, I don't know. Everybody has observed it, but he was very connected to his family, and I really like that. You know, like working. It's a very personal
Yeah,
thing.
it's
Like
yeah.
his wife was
You like
there
it.
with him, and you know he was very connected to it.
No, I'm
कैसे
joking, yeah.
इतना कुछ मैंने सुना है कि you have to disconnect from the world, you have to be on your own. But he balanced it very well. He was very much into the character, and as soon as he's going back home, he's taking care of his family. And I was like, मेरे लिए disconnect होना बहुत difficult था. Like if I have a crying scene, after cut I'm crying in my makeup room. I used to like hold, like there was this scene जहाँ पे वो stomach में I'm hitting myself because baby नहीं हो रहा था. That was so heavy on me that I was crying after they said pack up. I was in my room. I was holding my hair, Didi, and I was crying for 20 minutes. I didn't know where was that coming from. So sometimes I used to feel very disconnected from my family. So I was like, "Nee, this is." I'm still learning it. So what I learned is how everybody's
To disconnect.
how everybody's working hard on their character, but
That's a very
also
good point.
they have their personal life.
Very
and
good point, because you were so young.
yeah.
तुम्हारे सामने ये सीनियर एक्टर्स थे जिनसे तुमने ये देखा कि ये कैसे डिस्कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं,
कैसे
तो
डिस्कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं, हाउ दे आर एज सून एज मतलब मैं इमोशन में रहती थी, बट ये लोग हंसी मजाक कर रहे हैं, दे कमिंग बैक टू देमसेल्व्स.
true, true.
सो आई यूज्ड टू ऑब्जर्व एवरीबॉडी.